Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to transform your device into a portable white noise machine. For this, go to settings, then tap on the option accessibility, then scroll down. Here you can see the option audio and visual. Tap on this one. Then here you can see the option background sounds. Tap on this one. So turn on this option. Now the sound is rain. Let me show you. Turn on this option. Then increase the volume. Now you can see the background music. You can see the rain sound. You can change the sound. If you tap on this one, then you will get the fire sound you can hear. Night, stream, rain, ocean, dark noise, bright noise, balanced noise. These are the noise you can play in the background. So here I am going to select the option fire. Now go back. Now you can see in the background that noise is playing. So simply in this way you can transform your phone into the portable white noise machine. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.